Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking a look at one of the Logitech most popular wireless mice, the Logitech M330 Silent Plus. This mouse is designed by the Swiss technology company Logitech, and it is great for everyday choice, whether you are editing, designing or just browsing. One of its standout features is the 10-meter wireless range, giving you plenty of freedom to move around without worrying about connection drops. It also comes with advanced optical tracking, which makes navigation smooth and precise on almost any surface. Inside the box, you've got the Logitech mouse itself, the battery, that's pretty much it in the box. And of course, the highlight, it is incredibly quiet. The Silent Plus delivers the same click feel without loud noise, making it perfect for quiet environments like libraries, shared offices, and late night work. Overall, the Logitech M330 Silent Plus is a well-built, affordable, and reliable mouse for a trusted brand. That's about it in the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content like this.